Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to restart an ended campaign in Google Ads. This is incredibly useful when you want to relaunch a previous campaign with updated dates, instead of creating everything from scratch. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and locate the Campaigns option. Click on it to proceed. This section is where all your campaign management happens, and it's essential for accessing both active and ended campaigns. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. You'll see a Campaigns drop-down appear. Go ahead and click on Campaigns again from this expanded menu. This might seem repetitive, but it's necessary to access the full list of all your campaigns, including the ones that have already ended. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns under your Google Ads account, both active and inactive. Browse through this list and find the campaign you want to restart. Once you've located it, click on the checkbox next to that campaign to select it. When you do this, you'll notice a blue header appear at the top of the screen. In this header, look for the Edit option and click on it. This opens up several actions you can take with your selected campaign. A small options window will pop up with various choices. From these options, simply click on Copy. This action copies your entire campaign, preserving all its settings, ad groups, keywords, and targeting options. After you've copied the campaign, click on the Refresh button located at the top part of your screen. This step is important because it refreshes your page and updates the interface. Without this refresh, certain menu options might not appear properly, as only specific actions trigger the visibility of certain features in Google Ads. After refreshing, you'll notice a new option has appeared on the header part of your campaign list. Right beside the search icon, you'll now see a paste menu. Click on this paste option to begin duplicating your copied campaign. This duplication process is what allows you to restart your ended campaign with fresh dates while keeping all the original settings intact. Under the Paste Campaign menu, you'll see several options for how you want to handle the duplicated campaign. To restart your campaign with new dates, simply click on the checkbox labeled Adjust Start and End Dates. Once you check this box, two new fields will appear, a Start Date field and an End Date field. Enter the desired dates for when you want your restarted campaign to run. Make sure these dates align with your marketing goals and budget planning. After entering your preferred dates, click on Paste to finalize the process, and that's it. You've successfully restarted your ended Google Ads campaign with updated dates. All your original campaign settings remain intact, but now it's scheduled to run during your new specified time frame. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.